You might have heard how a few insiders are making money on Facebook and YouTube using the power of video. They just create a video, upload it to the internet, then sit back and watch their videos make money. Okay, so now we're going to look at the saved searches page of the Video Researcher. You can see I've saved some keywords. For each of these keywords we've got average views, cost per click, and of course earnings per day, which you can see is as high as 350,000 for that first keyword, nursery rhymes, which we'll look at now. So this is the search page for the Video Researcher. We've put our keyword nursery rhymes in. We can filter by engagement, likes, and earnings per day. We can do a search on Facebook. We can save the searches I've just shown you with the Save Searches page, and we can also look at related and most common keywords for more ideas. Now we've got total views of the video, we've got Google's search results, we've got cost per click, SEO exact match number, and also for each individual video, of which there are 50, we've got views per day, percentage of all channel views, earnings per day, which of course is huge. In this case it's over $6,000 this one video is making, percentage of engagement, percentage of likes, and various other things including clickable links within the description. So that pretty much covers it. Gradually what I realized was I needed an edge, and that's where the Video Titan comes in. And in case you're wondering what exactly does a Video Titan actually do, here's the easy 4-step formula that me and my fellow Titans follow. Step 1. First, I use my Video Spider software to find a profitable niche or keyword. Video Spider scours YouTube for videos that are making hundreds, even thousands of dollars per day, so you can legally steal their content, then outperform them with your own better converting video. Plus, Video Spider even suggests related keywords, giving us an infinite web of fresh new niches each time we search. Video Spider is the all-in-one, niche-finding, intelligence-gathering, competition-crushing video spying monster, and it means we now have a short list of great ideas for our video. It's time to move on to the next step. Step 2. Now we need to create our video, and we do this automatically with my one-click video software. It's the easiest way to make professional Hollywood style videos like this and make profits like this. Now here's how it works. Simply enter your slides as text, video, or images and hit go. Now pick the animations you like, and finally download your ready to upload video. And that's all there is to it. Choose from 100 handcrafted, done-for-you animation videos, all proven to profit and go viral. You can use the one-click video software tool to create profitable videos for video sales letters, explainer videos, offline businesses, Facebook video ads, YouTube PPC, Google SEO, and of course affiliate video reviews. Go from fresh video idea to profiting online in under a minute. Step 3. Now we've created our video, so it's time to get traffic and start making money. I've made more than $10 million with video and discovered many secrets using YouTube, Facebook, and Google. I'll share all my tricks with you in the members area, and I can't wait. But there's one approach I'll share with you right now. It's a way to finally make video websites work for you, and I call it one-click video pages. Click on the order button to get started. You'll then be taken to the PayPal page. Fill out your information on this page and then confirm your payment. You'll get instant access to my software within under a minute. Nothing could be simpler. Now is your chance. You can't wait on this. Do it right away so you can finally profit with video. This opportunity will only last so long, and I can only help so many people. Okay, this video is ending now, so sign up. I guess I'll see you on the inside.